Hi everybody, it's Alex with Master Odor Removal. It's Sunday, it is 1:20, it's the 22nd, right? It's 22nd? Yeah, down in Miami, in Coconut Grove, servicing this lovely studio unit, I guess you would call it. You can see that they've tried to remediate the cat urine. That's what I'm here for. I am the cat urine odor removal king in South Florida, that's for sure. But they tried using baking soda, they tried using vinegar, which is a really tough molecule to get the smell of vinegar out. They tried using this enzyme, it didn't work. So they finally called Master and found Master Odor Removal. And I just wanted to show everybody with the UV black light. You see we're all set up here to service it. I don't know how to turn this light off, hold on a second. So it's a level 5. It's absolutely disgusting in here. So I just pulled out the refrigerator and they had somebody clean, but you can see the urine right there bouncing back from the cat. And there's urine right there. There's cat fur right there. And they just couldn't understand because they had somebody scrub with vinegar. This closet I walked into and I'm like, wow, this looks pretty good here. But they didn't service the doors. So you can see the cat spray. There's no other reason that's there on the inside of a closet except the cat doing nasty business in here. And why it was spraying so much is a mystery, but I don't really know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the best that we can with this. Get the light on. Oh, and this is the bathroom and laundry room area, and I pulled out the washing machine, and you can see, I'll just show you, the cats, that's urine right there. All right, might be hard to make out, but that is urine. They had a rag over it, which we removed and threw away. So just a small unit, but a absolute level 5. This grate on the inside, you can see the bacteria growing from. This is really gross. This is, you can see the cat fur and the dust here. I've wiped away most of it, but you can see the urine, you can see the green inside of it. Hopefully that's coming out for you guys. I know this is a longer video, but so we're gonna treat inside the AC, although we're not allowed to open up the closet. The maintenance engineer in this luxury building won't open up the AC closet, so there's not a lot I can do. I can't treat the coil. But that's really basically it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and service the floors, obviously. So we're gonna spot treat where we see the urine, the walls, the ceiling, and then we'll go ahead and service the air conditioning the best that we can. There's the unit. The best that we can to make sure it smells fresh and clean. And that's really basically it. This is my 4th pet urine in a row, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.